This thing is literally a monster. By the way, we finally bought a sectional. Maybe it gets muffin. You might get sweet tooth. Oh my gosh. Good morning, you guys. Happy Friday. Welcome back to a weekend in the life. It's your girl Esther. Look at Junior just casually walking past by and not even saying hi to the vlog. The vlog. Anyways, y'all, welcome back. Check out this cute little outfit we got going on. This was my pajamas for last night. I don't know what it is about this place, girl, but it became so cold, so I had to like pair this long sleeve cropped with this tank top because it was freezing. So today we got a few things going on. I have to go get my lashes done, girl. It has been so long since I've gotten my lashes done. I'm actually gonna try out, sorry, my hand is getting tired. I'm actually gonna try out a new lash tech today. And then I also have a coffee date with my friend today. I think we did this 2 weeks ago, so I figured we'd do it again today. My girl Tracy, so I'm also excited about that. Anyways, let's go ahead and eat some breakfast, finish my coffee, do my daily devotions and all that fun stuff. So happy weekend. Getting some work done over here at Java House. Okay, is that coffee good?
So good.
What is it?
The Americano iced caramel latte or something.
Okay, do you want anything? I'm actually gonna go get something. Want a muffin? She had me last time. She got me covered for muffins.
The muffin, yes.
So is my payback.
You want to get the muffin?
I do want to get the muffin and the coffee because I haven't ate anything since breakfast. So I'm gonna get that.
I had a bagel earlier.
Oh, you did? So you're not hungry? Maybe it gets muffin. You might get sweet tooth. Look at me. But anyways, chocolate chip?
Yeah.
Okay. I want to show y'all my lashes. You know what I'm saying? They long, but they not extra long.
No, they're perfect.
They're perfect?
They're nice and fluffy.
Not bad, girl. Find my tripod anywhere, and I don't feel like holding the camera at all. But today was such a good day. Lashes look super cute. I love. They're like long, but not over exaggerating long. I feel like, I don't know. Y'all might see it different, but I think they look so cute. I am gonna put the details down in the description box for the girl who did my lashes. Her name is Taylor. I don't know what I want to cook for dinner. I do have here some HelloFresh meals that I have not cooked and need to be cooked today because, oh, there's zucchini. No. I have shrimp. I prepped some shrimps. for the last couple days. So we're gonna have to figure this out. So I think I'm gonna do like shrimp Alfredo. You know, dinner can sometimes be, I don't know. And then probably some mushrooms. So let's cook together, shall we, friends? Let's get the water boiling. It is so quiet. Babe is not home, so when I'm home, I just feel like this place is so big and it's only me sometimes. It is so quiet. I don't know if you guys can see me. Oh God, this camera, please don't fall. Drizzle some olive oil. Mix, mix, mix. Oh, what was that? What was that? Oh, oops. Girl, I'm tripping. Okay, so I prepped the shrimps like a few days ago. I was supposed to cook shrimp earlier this week. And then I kind of just like forgot all about it. Oh, I feel like watching a movie tonight. I'm so excited. It's Friday night. Friday nights are always my favorite nights to just chill and relax. And just like, you know, I don't know, enjoy a movie or something. I am though gonna start editing this part of the vlog because I realized when I have just like the whole week to edit, it's a lot. Imagine all those clips. Yeah, it's a lot. So I think I'm gonna start editing these vlogs on Friday, then Saturday, then Sunday, so then it's ready for Monday instead of having, well, at least my weekend in the live vlogs, I want them to go up every Monday. It just makes more sense because it's coming from the weekend, so you guys can kind of see what I did for the weekend and y'all can just hang out with me. Instead of having my weekend in the live vlogs going up on like a Wednesday or Thursday or Tuesday. Or Tuesday could be okay, but I prefer Mondays. Oh, that is seasoned nice. Oh! Yeah. Seasoned to perfection, baby. Oh my gosh. The one thing I find annoying is cutting up garlic. Oh my gosh, so annoying. This looks so delicious. Here's my version of my shrimp Alfredo. I did use this heavy creamer. This is what we had in the fridge. And then also Parmesan cheese. And for seasoning, I used garlic powder. I also used paprika. And I also used onion powder as well. I also went ahead and added some basil in there. Not too much. I'm actually gonna sprinkle a little bit right now for the finishing touch. I am so hungry. I'm gonna go ahead and eat. I found a movie, about to watch Black Hat. Good morning, you guys. Happy Saturday. It is the next day. Can y'all see the sun shining through these windows right now? I am so happy because, girl, the last few days has been super gloomy here in Indianapolis, and it's been Nah. Been setting the mood, the tone in a whole different level. But anyways, girl, today's plan is to meet up with Grace. Grace is another influencer here in Indianapolis. I'm so excited to meet up with her. We have a brunch reservation at like 12 or 12:30. I actually need to look into that so I'm not running late. Not gonna do nothing crazy in my makeup though. I really do love the fact that I got lashes now. It saves a little bit of time, and that's why I love lashes, because I don't have to wear makeup. I can just do my brows, add a little bit of concealer, and boom, out the door, and my face looks real put together. Okay. I just finished getting ready. Something super simple, but I feel like this is such a winter approved outfit. Got this jacket from Zara. This two set is so cute. I had to wear it again, okay, because it's so comfy. This is from Shein. I will link it. Purse is from Zara. And did obviously something super simple with my makeup look. I love the lip combo because it goes really well with this outfit. I am heading out because I don't want to run late. I'd rather be sitting in the parking lot a little bit earlier than running late, okay? So let's go. So this is Grace, you guys. This place is so cute. Love the vibe. Love it. Right. So we have been here for a minute. Still have not ordered nothing because Grace is over here chatty mouth. No, I'm just kidding. Grace got me doing TikTok. And y'all see how many people out here. Grace is over here like, watch. Okay.
Move again, press it, and then bring it down just a little bit so the exposure is like, there's a contrast. Okay, I think we got it.
That planting team, if that's your desire.
Hello you guys, happy Sunday. It is the next day. We just came back home from church to quickly take a restroom break. So we are about to head back out and get lunch, and then we're probably gonna come back home and kind of get ourselves ready for the week. And I also got a juice today. I would also love to stop at Crate and Barrel just to kind of like see some stuff, because I really am in need for those accent pillows. I think I told y'all last vlog I was looking for pillows, but not just pillows to sleep on, accent pillows for decor. And I might also stop at this other store. It's similar to Crate and Barrel, I just can't think of it right now, but that's the plan. Just wanted to pop on here and say hello because I realized this morning I did not pick up the camera because we were just like getting ready super quick. But yeah, let's just go ahead and head out. Babe, do you know where you want to get lunch or no? Should I start looking?
Yeah.
Should I start looking? Okay, then let's go. This is the place I was telling y'all about, Pottery Barn. I could not think of the name, but we are walking up in here to see if they got some real nice pillows. This is cute. I like this. Okay, this is nice. I don't want to get copyrighted, so I'm gonna talk louder or just put background music, but this is lovely. I love how nice and fluffy the bed is. Oh yeah, that's nice. Y'all, today is such a nice day. It feels amazing. By the way, I'm filming on my phone. I'm about to stop at Crate and Barrel. Yo, I love this. I've been looking for this everywhere, and finally I'm able to see this in person. By the way, we finally bought a sectional. It kind of looks like this, doesn't it? But this is more like off-white, because the one we bought is white. Kind of looks like this, but we're so excited. Actually seeing this just got us super excited. The couch is gonna be here in May. More softer. I think it's because it has more feather. Yeah, this right here that I'm sitting on feels amazing. I got the whole leg. I'm not gonna get this little thing dirty. Oh my gosh, look at Indianapolis. Nice. Okay, babe, we have to still look around. We're sitting over here getting all comfortable. Y'all, I cannot find my tripod for this camera anywhere. This is the time that I'm actually picking up the camera. I am currently about to start juicing because we are getting our juicing ready for the week, our green juice ready for the week. We actually came home a long time ago and just did our Sunday meeting. Every Sunday, me and Hubs, we just sit down and talk about how our week is gonna look like. Let me go ahead and start juicing. I do have my green juice here. I'm gonna also put like the whole, everything that I put in this green juice. We have cucumber and apples are down below. And this is parsley. We also got 2 broccolis here and kale. And we also got some mint as well, and then we also got celery right here, and that is what our green juice is gonna look like today. This juicer is the bomb. I think this is called the Nama juicer. I will put the details in the description box. It's not a cheap juicer, but girl, when it comes to like stuff like this, I will splurge if I need to. Oh, it's actually not that loud. My old juicer used to be so loud. This is not that bad. Sheesh. This thing is literally a monster. Like, just put all your vegetables. It can juice so many things, and you don't really have to cut up a lot of stuff, and it does not take that long. Okay, so when I think about it, I don't think I have enough green juice for the week. I think I'm actually low in green juice. We didn't go grocery shopping today because we felt like we had enough stuff in the fridge, so we didn't need to go. But now when I think about it, I'm like, you know what? We should have stopped and got some more vegetables. Just finished with the green juice. It looks really delicious. It's so refreshing when I drink it right in the morning. I don't drink anything else. I start off with my green juice, but it's not the most tastiest thing to drink in the morning. But girl, it is what it is. I'm gonna go ahead and close off this vlog right here. Thank you so much for tuning in this weekend's vlog. As always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new. I love y'all so much. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye, beautiful.